Hola. Today, we're going to be talking about irregular verbs, verbos irregulares, in the present tense. Remember that some verbs in Spanish are irregular in the first person singular of the present tense. Let's look at the following examples. Now, by first person, we're talking about yo. These are all in the yo form. For example, dar, yo doy, give, I give. Poner, pongo, I put. Salir, salgo, I leave. Ver, veo, I see. Hacer, hago, I do or I make. Saber, say, I know. Traer, traigo, I bring. Caer, caigo, I fall. Another thing to note here is that some of these verbs I like to call go verbs. For example, poner, salir, hacer, traer, and caer all end in go. Those are the go verbs. We'll see a couple of those later. Note that other verbs you know that are conjugated like conocer are obedecer, ofrecer, and parecer. The verb conocer, to know, is irregular in the yo form with the letter Z, conozco. This is for pronunciation purposes. I know, yo conozco. Other verbs that are similar to this are ofrecer, ofrezco, I offer. Obedecer, obedezco, I obey. And parecer, parezco, I seem. Okay. Also, there are some verbs in Spanish that are irregular in all persons of the present tense, or all the different forms. Let's start with the verb ser, to be. Yo soy, tú eres, usted, él, ella, es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ustedes, ellos, ellas, son. All the forms are irregular. It doesn't follow the normal pattern. Let's look at the verb ir, to go. Yo voy, tú vas, usted, él, ella va, nosotros vamos, ustedes, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, ustedes, ellos, ellas van. Now let's look at the verb decir, to say or tell. Yo digo, tú dices, usted, él, ella dice, nosotros decimos, vosotros decís, ustedes, ellos, ellas dicen. You'll also notice that the yo form is irregular. It's a go verb. And you'll also notice this is an E to I verb. The E changes to I in all forms except nosotros and vosotros. Okay, let's look at the verb estar, to be. Estoy, yo estoy, tú estás, usted, él, ella está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ustedes, ellos, ellas están. And then the verb oír, to hear. Again, it's a yo verb. In the yo form, it's a go verb. Oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oís, oyen. You'll see there's irregular, the Y, in these three forms. Oír is just irregular all over. Finally, we have the verb tener, to have. Yo tengo, tú tienes, usted, él, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ustedes, ellos, ellas tienen. Again, we have a go verb in the yo form, and it's an E to IE shoe verb in these forms. Tienes, tiene, and tienen all have IE. The E from the stem changes to IE. Okay, adios.